Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophia and I am interested in everything that has to do with artificial intelligence. In today's video, I show you a way to use AI to create pictures and videos even without an expensive computer and graphics card with 12 GB RAM or more. For this, I use the cloud GPU provider MimicPC, which is a real alternative to other providers. With MimicPC, many apps are already pre-installed and ready to use, fully customizable comfy UI nodes and so forth, predefined workflows, tutorial hub with explanations and help for all apps, here you can see a small selection of the pre-installed apps. Here is an overview of the pricing. The price for 1 hour of GPU usage with 48 GB video RAM is only $199 US. If you use the bargain option, it is only $0.99 US. This is comparable to a 4090 Ti graphics card. Image generation with Flux 1 at 512 by 512 pixels takes only 4 seconds. At the moment, there is a promotion with 40% savings on the 1-month and annual plan. In the basic plan option, you pay $9.90 US, but get $12 US monthly credit. With the premium plan option, you pay $18.90 US, but receive a monthly credit of $25 US. The offer is also valid in the annual plan for basic or premium. Here you even have twice as much storage space, namely 100 GB at your disposal. You can also try out selected apps in advance, for example, Flux 1 for image generation. Simply select a supported app under Demo and try it out at your leisure. The workflows shown here are mainly for the program Comfy UI, which is a very comprehensive and powerful program with many setting options. Under the menu item Workflows, you can take a look at all existing workflows which are already prepared by MimicPC and ready to use. In this view, I am logged into my account and show you again a short overview of the available apps. As mentioned earlier, these are already pre-installed and ready to use. You only pay for the GPU usage as long as you use the app. Another extraordinary advantage over other providers is that you do not pay any ongoing costs for the storage space, which means that your settings are retained and you do not have to install everything from scratch again and again. Let's try now Face Fusion. With it, you can quickly and easily swap the face of a model. We choose the latest version and as GPU option large with 24 GB RAM. Simply upload 2 pictures, one the source file and one the target file. This works very quickly and easily. You can find the link to MimicPC in the channel description.